May I request all the honorable guests, worthy Prime Minister, Madam CM, if you could place your palm on the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Really is the beginning of a new journey, of a new era. Alhamdulillah. Many congratulations to Government of Punjab. May I request round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. Really is the beginning of a new journey, of a new era of hope, harmony, and prosperity. Alhamdulillah. Staff Agriculture Food and Drug Authority. It is my pleasant duty if I could ask worthy Chief Minister Saiba to present a souvenir to worthy Prime Minister. Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif.